Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of hair care and exploring the journey of finding the perfect hair oil. As a seasoned beauty enthusiast, I've always been fascinated with trying new products and techniques to improve my hair's health and shine. After years of experimenting with different oils, I can confidently say that I've discovered the one that truly works wonders on my hair and scalp. Now, let me be clear, everyone's hair is unique, so what works for me may not work for you. But if you're on a similar quest for the perfect hair oil, this may just be the perfect guide for you. Here's a quick rundown of what I found. 1. The right oil should nourish your hair and scalp while also giving it a healthy shine. 2. It should be light enough not to weigh down your hair but still provide nourishment. 3. It should come from a reputable brand that prioritizes quality ingredients and safety. 4. It should have a pleasant scent that doesn't overpower but complements your natural fragrance. 5. Most importantly, it should be effective in treating any specific concerns you might have like dandruff or dry scalp. These are just my personal preferences, but they might help you narrow down your search for the right oil too. Remember, everyone's hair is unique, so what works for me may not work for you. But hopefully, this journey will inspire you to find your own hair care magic potion. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. If you found this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Until next time, stay beautiful inside out.